Here's our next restoration here at 101 Garage. It's a ZX400RR Ninja. It won't have a back seat on it. It's an RR. Usually you can tell by this frame, but it's an RR model. It's going to need a lot more work. The caliper's locking up. We're working on that. We spent hours and hours cleaning the wheels and starting to detail everything. The frame's in really great shape. The gas tank's in great shape, spotless, not an ounce of rust in it. This one has 12,000 kilometers. That's like 8,000 miles possibly. We've cleaned a lot of stuff up already. We're sorting through some carburetor issues. We've cleaned everything up. This wheel was really bad. No one's ever cleaned it. It had oil all over from the chain. We've cleaned the chain and the sprocket. We really like it when this is here. This is a snubber. Everything is here. The OEM blinkers are here. The back fender's here. We like that a lot. We try to make everything as stock as possible. This is a nice bike. 12,986 kilometers. The tank does not have a scratch or a dent on it. Still has the sticker from Japan. Again, ZXR means it's from Europe. It's not from the United States. We have a brand new seat for it. This is our backup seat. Or our maintenance, our repair seat. We don't want to mess up the other seat. They're very hard to find. This is a pretty rare bike. Again, a ZX400RR. This is an RR model. We'll even make sure it has the OEM toolkit and book. Once we're done with it, it'll have everything it came from the factory with. This will go in our collection. We're guessing it'll take us 6 months to complete this one motorcycle. We have several that needs our attention. We cleaned out all the fluids. Radiator spark plugs, everything's already been done. The gas tank's actually dry right now, so it doesn't rust and we don't have to keep changing out the fuel. There's more updates to come. 101garage.com. Keep an eye out for us. We're gonna try to do better and better videos with better and better bikes all the time. We love 90s bikes. If you have anything for sale, especially Kawasaki ZX7s, 400s, 250s, anything GSXR 80s, late 80s to 90s, let us know. 2000, 2004 ZX7s. Just go to our website at 101garage.com. Hey, thank you for your support and watching. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. There'll be better ones coming out soon. We're working on a better garage too. This is just all we have right now. Thank you.